Affiliate marketing for beginners, even if you're stopped at a red light. I know this sounds crazy, but the biggest issue when starting affiliate marketing is to figure out the best place to start. So where do you start? You can take expensive courses and hope to make money online affiliate marketing. You can spend a lot of money on Facebook ads and eventually make money if you're lucky and have the right budget or have a good agency. You can try to start a blog and rank on Google with SEO. Keep in mind this may take up to 6 months and you will need your own hosting and domain. You can use Pinterest and create cool-looking pins to promote your blog or business. You can pay for Google ads to drive traffic. You can join Facebook groups. But now you start going down the endless rabbit hole and never make any money. Why? Because it's so easy to get distracted. You need to focus on one thing or one task at a time. Remember that Google is the #1 search engine in the world and YouTube is the #2 largest search engine in the world. Now some free golden nuggets. Tip 1: use YouTube. Tip 2: create demos and do not sell. Tip 3: build trust. Tip 4: offer a discount or a bonus. Tip 5: full transparency. With these tips, you can create a full-time income online and may not have to do the 9 to 5 or the 40 to 40 plan. Imagine the freedom you can have working for yourself, spending extra time with your family and friends, being your own boss and owning all your assets. We live in a much different world these days. You need to have a backup plan. You never know if you're going to have your job or get laid off due to any pandemics. This happened to me recently. So what did I do? Nothing. I had a backup plan. I was lucky. Unfortunately, most people don't have a backup plan and have little to no money saved up. The good news is you can learn how to drive Google and YouTube traffic for free and save a lot of money on advertising. How would you like to just focus on one system, with no distractions, that could get you some serious results? I have teamed up with my mentor Paul Murphy, who has been affiliate marketing for over 17 years and ranks all his videos on top of Google and YouTube. It sounds crazy, but it's true. He will show you how to do this yourself and teach you how to focus on one proven solid method, the power of 3, that could get you results if you follow the system. This will teach you how to get free traffic for life. Yes. Free. The future is not a website, it's a funnel. You will learn the power of a funnel and how to drive organic traffic to your funnel. You will get some goodies as well if you take the One Funnel Away challenge. You will get this fantastic course for only $1. Yes. This is worth $997. You will get full access for life and join the Facebook group for free, valued at $47 monthly, free. Disclaimer: I'm an affiliate for this product and use it myself. If you click on the link below and decide to purchase, I will make a small commission and it will help me grow this channel. Thanks so much. See you in the Facebook group.